Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the construction progress of my Revell 1-48 F-86F Sabre kit. It's right here. And along with that, I'd like to show you my first diorama. It's right here. I was lucky enough to get this kit. And here's why. I was being me for the afternoon at one point, and I went to the Hobby Pros from Hobby Lobby, and I've noticed some clearance models on the shelf, so I decided to get this. And I noticed parts were missing from the kit, so I decided to make a diorama of a crash. And what this demonstrates here is safety has no quitting time. Now, I'm going to bring my attention back to the F-86, and I'm going to teach you how to do decals. Just about ready. And here you get what's out of my mind at the moment. Okay. Thinking of a decal, I'm going to show you. Alright, I'm going to pick something simple off of the decal sheet right here. I'm just going to pick a simple USAF, and there's the decal sheet right here. And if I'm ever stuck, sometimes I refer to that actual box as shown here. And I'm going to put my cam up with you. I hope the cam can see this, and if not, let me know in the comment box and I'll do something about it.